Hello everyone. So without wasting much of our time, let us directly start with our topic, longitudes and latitudes. In the last video, we have already learnt about longitudes in detail, whereas today we'll deal with latitudes in detail. So let us at first revise the basic difference between longitude and latitude, which we have already learned with the help of a trick. And the trick is long longitude, लेटी हुई latitude, long longitude, लेटी हुई latitude. So with this, we are very clear now that the long standing lines are longitude, whereas the लेटी हुई sleeping lines are latitudes. Hope that the difference is very clear to all of you. So let us now learn about the lines of latitude in detail. The first feature of lines of latitude is that it runs horizontally. Horizontally means sleeping lines. So what is the first feature? That the lines of latitude runs horizontally. Whereas the line of latitude that divides the earth into two equal parts is known as equator. Line of latitude that divides the earth into two equal parts is known as equator. Right over here. This red line is labeled as equator as it divides the earth into two equal parts. Whereas this equator is 0-degree latitude. We all know that the measurement used to measure longitude and latitude is degree. So over here, the line of latitude is 0-degree at which divides the earth into two equal parts. That is equator. So equator falls on 0-degree latitude. And that's the second feature. Let us move ahead. Now with this comparison, let us just re-revise whatever we have learned. The lines of longitude that divides the earth into two equal parts is termed as prime meridian. Whereas the lines of latitude that divides the earth into two equal parts is known as equator. Hope this comparison makes it very clear to all of you. Now, let us understand this next feature. Now, similarly, the lines of latitude that divides the earth into two parts has two different poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. Because as we have already learned that the lines of longitude divides the earth into two parts, that is Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Similarly, the line of latitude that divides the earth into two equal parts, that is equator, is given us two different parts, that is North Pole and South Pole. And the North Pole is at 90-degree latitude, whereas the South Pole is at 90-degree latitude. With this, I hope all the features of lines of latitude is very clear to all of us. And let us just revise everything once again. The first feature of line of latitude is the lines of latitude runs horizontally. As we all know, latitude is measured in degree. The equator is 0-degree latitude. The lines of latitude locates places north or south of the equator. The North Pole is 90 degrees north latitude and the South Pole is 90-degree south latitude. With this, let us end the session over here. Thank you.